Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG phone and I will show you how to do a hard reset. So you start off by powering off the device, so let's hold the power button and power off. Now to get into recovery mode, we'll hold down power button and volume down together. Okay. Okay. Now in recovery mode, go down to wipe data and factory reset using the volume keys and confirm it with power button. Once more, go down and confirm with the power button. And right here you can see wiping data, format data, data wipe complete. So now let's reboot the device by just pressing the power button and it will continue to do its thing. Now this will take a couple minutes, so I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so the factory wipe is complete and you can now set up your device as you like. So thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.